and caregivers, we designed our Caregiver Workshop Series for you and your children at home. We hope that you had fun playing and exploring the activities and learning about the benefits of play. As a recap, we wanted to go over the types of play with you. There's physical play, which helps children develop their coordination, balance, gross motor skills, such as walking and jumping, and fine motor skills, such as picking small objects up. There's also play with objects. This provides opportunities for children to engage in the exploration of objects. When children play with objects, they develop thinking, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. Symbolic play supports children to develop the ability to express ideas, feelings, and experiences through language, painting, drawing, collage, numbers, music, and more. Pretend play has been proven to enhance reasoning skills and creative thinking. Pretend play encourages social interaction, helps regulate emotions, and aids in the development of language. And lastly, games with rules. They introduce the ability to share and follow instructions. Physical games help children prepare for higher levels of education, and board games with numbers support numeracy skills.
We invite you to share these workshop videos with your family and friends.
Spread the knowledge and power of play, and rewatch these videos if you need any inspiration for play at home. We look forward to continuing to share the power of play and how our students here at AISPP learn. Please look out on our social media accounts for all of this wonderful learning journey that we have to share with you. Show me a